Let's see if this foundation stands up to my 47-year-old skin. And happy Foundation Friday. So this is a newer launch from a company called Verse. This is a mineral sunscreen tinted moisturizer. This has an SPF of 40. It has hyaluronic acid in it, as well as it's a natural finish, and you have to shake it first. I'm in color 4W, and I will say this is just a touch dark. I bought this when I had a little bit more of a tan, which was just a couple of weeks ago from a spray tan. And it's also recognized by the National Rosacea Society. It's cruelty-free and vegan. So I have rosacea, so this is perfect for me. So today I'm not going to use a luminous SPF. I am not going to use a color corrector either, because I want to show you how this works. And we're gonna do a wear test, so stick with me all the way around. And also in the middle, I will show you the skincare that I have on right now that I have been wearing consistently for that perfect, flawless finish to your foundation. I actually tendency to say that this is really more of just a lightweight foundation with skincare in it, because this is I've worn this several times. I think that this coverage is quite remarkable for a skin tint. And I'm going to apply it from the center of my skin all the way out, just like I normally would. I'm gonna show you the coverage real quick. I wanna make sure I'm gonna take this off real quick so I can keep this side free. And for this one, I do gently bring a little bit under the eye. It's so thin, but yet it also covers beautifully. And this, I would say, start with less and then add more, because one of the first couple of times when I wore this, I just went in ham like I normally would with a skin tint. Treat this more of a foundation. And I'm using my hands for this application because a sponge for me personally didn't work amazing. My hands have worked the best for this product. You can also use a brush if you don't want to use your hands. But as I've gotten older, I find that hands have been doing just a much better job than any other tool. Okay, so look, I think it's pretty amazing. You can't tell me that this is not a beautiful tinted moisturizer. Okay, so let me finish my makeup and I'll show you what skincare I did. Oh, I forgot to tell you this. So once it's on, I do take a dry beauty blender. You can take even a triangle sponge. And I just roll it over the face just ever so slightly. You can also do this with a tissue. And what it does is it just kind of takes away just a touch of the excess, and I feel like it really pushes it into the skin. All right, everything is on. I just love it. It looks so gorgeous on the skin. I set it with my normal powder because this does need to be set. For me, I want to take away some of the hydration, the tackiness. I don't have very many foundations that don't need to be set. So for the skincare, I started out with these very, very gentle exfoliation pads. This is a new product that I'm trying out. It's a dupe for the Tower 28 SOS spray. I like it. And then I'm going in with my soothing toner from Anua, vitamin C from Maylove. This is also new for me. I really like it. I think this is the dupe for the Rhodes glazing milk or something. I've never tried that. I'm not a big fan from the brand, but this is the hydrating milk glaze. I like it. I've been using it for a couple of days, and it does not pill under makeup. So far this routine that I've been using is spot on. And then the last two, besides my eye products that haven't changed since my last video, which you can find in my skincare playlist. So if you ever have questions, it's in my skincare playlist. Is the Hydro Relief. I use very little moisturizer from Maylove, and then the Well People SPF. This is also reef safe, and it's a mineral sunscreen. I've literally been using this nonstop. So let's go give this a wear test, and I will check back in a few hours. Let's see how it wears. I have not worn it long term before, so let's see. All right, team, this is a total of 3 hours of wear. To me, it doesn't look any different. It looks gorgeous, and actually just a little bit more radiant with time. So far, so good. All right, this is a total of 6 hours of wear. I think it's held up really well. It doesn't have any long wearing claims, but I think it just got a little bit more glowy and dewy, which I don't mind at all. So it's almost a skin tint that gets even better as you wear it. So this gets 2 thumbs up from me for sure. Have you guys tried this? Let me know. And remember, everything is always linked at elleary.com. I'll see you all soon. Thank you all so much for being here. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.